Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term bukkake. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, bukkake is someone who is overly confident or annoyingly bold in a playful way. People use it when talking about friends who are acting a little too sure of themselves, often jokingly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Bukkake first showed up in youth slang around the 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among teens and young adults. Now let's check out how to use bukkake in a sentence. Correct example 1. She was acting so bukkake after winning the game that everyone teased her good-naturedly. Correct example 2. Don't get too bukkake just because you aced that test. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said bukkake at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using bukkake right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Bukkake means someone overly confident or annoyingly bold in a playful way. It started in youth slang around the 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with bukkake in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.